Hello, this is Chris Yost at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Monday, July 28, 2025. Behind me, newly arrived, is our brand new, all new redesigned 2026 Forest River Arctic Wolf 285 OPT fifth wheel. We're showing the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think. I tell you what, guys, we're in Duluth, Minnesota. Okay, way up here, not quite Canada, but 80, 85 degrees today, sunny. Oh, no Canadian smoke for the most part. Gotta love it. Here's a brand new, all redesigned Arctic Wolf fifth wheel that just arrived. Even got the bug still on the front, which we'll take off for you, but beautiful front fiberglass cap there with the LED lights incorporated right into that. This coach is about 8,800 pounds dry. There's gonna be guys with their new half ton saying, hey, I can pull this. Well, if you want to, go ahead. I'd recommend a 3/4 ton. Does already come equipped with 100-watt solar panel on the roof. We include a brand new deep cycle Interstate 27 series marine battery that we put right in there. There are 20-pound LP tanks on either side. We fill both of those. And we give you a complete orientation on this camper, okay? Aside from sales tax and license, that's all included in our sale pricing. We're 70 years, family owned this year, no hidden fees, no games. That's all included. Huge LED lit power awning right there. Obviously, we're all laminated fiberglass, aluminum frame walls, heated underbelly. Got the fold-up aluminum steps. Little outside kitchen here with your griddle, 110 fridge. Little storage area back here. On-demand water heater. It is backup camera prepped. You do have the hitch and 4-prong plug back here for pulling a boat, pulling a trailer, your side-by-side. Dump here for you with the valve. That's one right there. There's going to be a second discharge right over here. Here's going to be your hookup center. Black tank flush, city water fill, fresh water fill, auto level. Hit the button, walk away. It's easy as that. This is nice too for cleaning. All the way through there. Sorry about the background noise. We have Highway 53 right behind us here in Duluth. Let's go take a walk inside. So what Cherokee does is they pride themselves in having some of the biggest windows in their class. Look at that. I mean, if you were at a campground or there's the lake, how beautiful is that view? Goodness gracious. They have gone to blackout shades if you want to get rid of the sun. Got the C-shaped dinette that obviously makes down to a bed. Of course, the full length pull-out drawers. This unit's equipped with 2 ACs ducted through the same ductwork. Probably not as necessary here in northern Minnesota, but some other places for sure. Gonna have solid surface counters right here. We'll get rid of all the fun stuff and see a single large sink. Counter space there. Gonna have your 10.3 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. Pull-out sofa to sleep a person or two. Sitting right here. Oh yes, right across from the TV. Not kinking my neck looking this way, that way. Got the fireplace down below that puts out roughly 5,000 BTUs of heat. That would take the chill off in this area really nice if you're plugged in and don't want to use your propane. Of course, this one comes with a TV. And right underneath here, oops, sorry, is my latch that I pull. Look what we have here. Woo! Hidden storage. Place for brooms, pantry, anything you want to hide, chocolate. Let's do it that way. And back here for the guests, the kids, the grandkids. Pocket door closes this off to say goodnight. Actual dinette, another bunk here with a 300-pound capacity that you can fold up out of the way. Hook up for a TV to give them a TV. A couple bunks on this side right here, plus storage underneath. Some natural light. Even bright back here, which is so nice. But yeah, close them off. Sit back here. They can eat back here, play their games. You can sit up until midnight, 1, 2 o'clock, do your thing out here. And look at this, no carpet. and they give it a color to where if you decide not to clean or wear your shoes in here, no one's probably going to know. At least hang coats, keys, things you want right there. Walk right up the stairs. Right to the left here is going to be your monitor panel. Tells you levels of your tanks. The lights are on a dimmer switch, and here's your awning and slide switch right there. Here's the water heater control, thermostat, all-in-one bath, nice big shower, actual glass doors, skylight, actual fantastic like fan there to exchange air or steam. So, like I always say, I'm just over 6'2". I'm not coming with you, but as you can see, I got plenty of room to get clean in here. And with doing the pocket door here, you're not worried about opening that up and smacking someone right down the stairs. Queen bed suite here. A nightstand there with cell phone plug-in, or cell phone charger and 110 plug. Storage underneath. Okay, you can put totes there as well, and a place to actually sit, tie your shoes, put your shoes on, whatever you need to do there. This goes right back down. Place to hang jackets, towels, TV prep for a bedroom TV if you want to add one. Place right there to tuck your size 13 shoes. And look at this wonderful hanging closet with extra shelves back there for whatever you want to put in there. Nice full-length drawers, tons of storage. The other half will really like having that extra storage aside from just limited storage here on the left and above there. Just a nice bunkhouse fifth wheel, whether you have kids, grandkids. Not extremely heavy or long, so once again, if you're going to stay local and you want to go with heavy half ton, ready for 10 to 12,000 pounds, do it. If not, grab your 3/4 ton, pull something behind if you want. It's here and it's available right now. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the US, we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, or about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. I've been here 24 years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. I'll treat you like a human being. If you're interested, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-225-8355. We do take trades, and like I mentioned before, we don't have any hidden fees. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that each time we post something new, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.